Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X, touted as the best AMD processor for high-end gaming on the market. Let's kick things off by unpacking why the Ryzen 9 5900X is making waves in the gaming community. With its 12 cores and 24 threads, this powerhouse delivers unparalleled performance, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition. Gamers rejoice, as this processor can achieve elite 100+ FPS performance in the most demanding titles, giving you a seamless and immersive gaming experience like never before. But it's not just about gaming. The Ryzen 9 5900X is a multitasking marvel, handling intensive tasks like content creation, video editing, and 3D rendering with ease. And let's not forget about overclocking. With its unlocked design and impressive 4.8 GHz max boost, enthusiasts can push the boundaries of performance even further, unleashing the full potential of their rig. Now, cooling is key, and while the Ryzen 9 5900X doesn't come with a cooler, investing in a high-performance cooling solution is recommended to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Whether you opt for air cooling or liquid cooling, ensuring proper thermal management will help maximize the longevity and stability of your system. Fear not, as the Ryzen 9 5900X is designed for the advanced socket AM4 platform, offering support for PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards, ensuring you're ready for the latest technologies. In conclusion, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X stands as a beacon of performance in the world of gaming processors. With its unmatched power, versatility, and overclocking potential, it's no wonder why it's the go-to choice for gamers and content creators alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, happy gaming!